Hey guys, it's Bree Halo here, and this is my Winter Soldier makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a metal arm thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials in that little comments box below. Oh, and also remember to click that little bell so that you're always notified when I upload new videos like this one. So this one I was really excited to do. I've just rewatched Civil War again. I'm prepping to go see Black Panther. So, you know, watching Civil War and then the end credit scenes, and they all link to Wakanda and whatnot, so it's really exciting. So hopefully I get to go see that very soon, since it's been like a week or two since it came out. About a week, I think. I have faith in myself. It's been about a week. No, it's been about 14 days. 2 weeks since it came out. So hopefully I get to go see that one soon. I am super stoked and excited to go see that. The arm was a lot of work to do. That took me about an hour itself to do, was this, all of it. And painting my armpit, that's dedication right there, is painting your armpit.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, when everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, when everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so breathe. So come on down.